So we've got a nice 110 in with us. Customers popped into us to have his first stage of upgrades in here, which is consisting, he just wanted some dash camera video security for parking mode, obviously when the vehicle is left, because this customer is from London. So we've fitted the latest generation 970X LTE version, as you can see there. Camera's just obviously in there, nice central position. Cabling obviously is just disappearing right up inside into the binnacle area, so there's no obvious wiring there. And then I'll just show you around the back to basically the rear camera, which we've got nicely positioned in here. So yeah, no visible wiring, just a nice sort of OEM install. And then we've actually hidden the battery pack right underneath this section under here, so it's out of the way. So it's not going to be in the way for the customer, so it doesn't compromise, because this particular version is a 7-seater Defender, so obviously we're even more limited in terms of room and space on this one, but we just concealed it nice under the false floor. So yes, if you're looking for some security while the vehicle is parked, this particular one you can log in remotely. It will send you push notifications to the phone if somebody's walking around the vehicle, or if somebody actually just reverses into it while it's in a car park. So you can have full sort of monitored video security with our latest Blackvue dash camera. So yes, if you're interested in this, please give us a call.